Demitrius. I'm gonna do a bike check. I got 40i long neck super softs, pretty worn out. Stock front DK tire. Okay, I have a star circle, red rim. Both of them are the same. I got a Kenda Contact 2.25 in the back and a stock DK in the front. Standard seat, stock pedals, a YMC chain, stock sprocket, gray cranks are stock, bars, headset, everything's still stock. I got some LZBMX stickers on here. Shout out to LZBMX. That's about it. I'm gonna get a couple clips.
I'll back him up on these.
Okay. Can't land anything. That's my bike check.